Claude recently launched something called Claude Design. It's been a couple of days, and in a lot of ways, it's game changing. We'll see exactly how it performs, what kind of output it gives, how you can get started, and all this. But if you see, for the longest time, for anything design related, you need to go to something like a Gemini or a Chat GPT, and in a lot of ways Claude didn't have that ability, but it has now. Here's a quick video they had shared. And basically you can create everything, including something as interactive as this. So in this quick video, what we'll do is we'll be creating 6 different assets. One is a featured image. The other one is a carousel for LinkedIn. We'll also experiment and see if it can create a landing page. A deck, which is also something like there's so many apps out there for deck creation, right? A one pager and an animated video also. So let's see. By the way, this whole image was created by Claude Design itself. I feel it's pretty damn good. It did take some time, but overall a very good output. Here's how I was creating it. Now once you log in into Claude Design, you can create a folder. So that I have created like a marketing folder, right? Now once you want to create a new design, you click on new chat, right? So for this experiment, what I have done is I'll also import a Figma file. This is our marketing Figma file for Adopt AI, so that it understands all the design language, right? So that everything can be very on point. We'll start with the blog featured image, can you go through the file, design system, and create me a blog featured image for an engineering blog around on-prem deployment of AI agents. Let's see. So this is the prompt, very simple, very basic. Again, you can go very granular as well, but we'll see. Now the best part about this is that the questions it asks, right? So now it's reading all the Figma files. I'm hoping that it goes and selects the right template, because we already have a template in place for blogs. So I mean, it will also be dependent on how you've organized your Figma file, etc. So let's see. But it's pretty good, at least what the questions it asks. Like for this infographic, it had some questions in place. Let's see. By the way, it does take a bit time, in the sense it's not as fast as a Gemini, but I feel you get a lot more flexibility. The interface is very similar to how if you've used a Lovable or an Emergent Matter. So we'll fast forward a bit. So we have a preview which is out. I feel it's pretty decent. I mean, it didn't pick up the right template, but that might also be because it might not have been named correctly. It got the font right, which is good to see. It got all the illustration style right, which is again good to see. I love these cool illustrations. I love how they've written adopt.ai/engineering, engineering blog issue 12. Pretty good, pretty damn good. But like usually with blog featured image, you are hoping for something very, very simple. This is good for, let's say, I don't know, like illustration or like a board deck or something like that, right? Now, in terms of tweaks, you can, for smaller changes, you can mention like, can you remove the sub description below the title, or let's say the heading. So these are for smaller tweaks. Again, you also have something called comment. So we'll see. We'll try this. Okay, it says to reload. We'll see. Like, can you remove this? Okay. You can see the subscription is removed. Can you remove this? Okay, let's see. The way you can tweak every item here, I love that, because this level of customization it never gives you, like no tool gives you. Like usually if you've used Gemini before or ChatGPT, it's very, very hard, right? Sometimes it'll get some things right, it'll get some things wrong, but here it's pretty damn good. Like I could go here and say, can you change the time to 10 minutes, right? As simple as this. So you can see quickly it changed this. Again, you have to reload for every new design. That's something you have to keep in mind. Now let's see if we can upload a older featured image. Let's do this. Follow this style and regenerate. Let's see. Now this is how, like, this is very much more closer in terms of what we publish at our own blog. But this is really game changing. There's something called draw as well. I don't know if you could create something. I don't know. Now you can see it's taken the design, like the ratio as well. A lot of times you have issues in terms of the dimensions as well. Like even if you prompt it enough, you won't get the exact dimensions. So this is what Claude design has given us. I'd say I'm a little disappointed because for a very similar prompt, ChatGPT gave me much better illustrations. It was much more closer to what we have, and maybe like the prompt is not too detailed, but you can see it just created the same illustration in a different style. So yeah, but again, it's upon you how granular you go. And if you're creating something new or you have like a Figma file of sorts, that will also pretty much help. Now we'll go to this one, and let's say I don't know if I can you convert this into a LinkedIn carousel for promotion. The title, the heading can be one page, and the other 3 pointers can be separate pages. The last page can have a CTA. Let's see. So you can see that it took the plan very correctly. So whatever I had mentioned, like title slide, point 1, point 2, point 3, there's a CTA slide as well. And I think the design and the aspect ratio is good enough as well. So this is pretty damn good, if I'll say. Like pretty good. I know this one is a problem, but I think you can edit it. Like, okay, yeah, this is colors and all. I think pretty good. I think I absolutely love the whole tweaking bit you can do, right? So here you can go and you can change this. This is pretty fast, right? You can change this text also. I think you'll have to comment it. Pretty good. I think this background color also can change. This is incredible. Like once you have kind of a template ready, you can. So if I say edit, padding, okay, can I give it a top? Pretty damn amazing, like 40. And does this change for all? It does. Pretty good. This is incredible. I think it changes for all, or it doesn't. Okay, it doesn't, but pretty good. Like this is pretty game changing. I really love this for sure. This is pretty good. So we are done with the carousel bit, the featured image as well. The landing page is something that is pending. So let's create a new chart first. And I will I think the best part is that you have all this file system in place as well. So we'll import the file system. Can you create me landing page for a white paper download follow the design system and help me create one for agentic AI trends 2026 report. It contains a maturity index, not customer but influencer quotes, and stats. Let's see. We'll give it some time. So you can see that it went to the design system, it picked up the primary colors, it picked up the primary fonts as well, like sub fonts. It picked out the style, the layout, and now it will create a landing page. It will, I don't know, maturity index section, start section, build influencer code section. This is rendering the Figma frame. We'll have to see. Like, pretty great stuff. By the way, I forgot to mention that you can easily download all these content as a PDF. You can send it to Canva for further editing. You can export it as an HTML thing. You can hand it off to Claude Code as well. So like just imagine creating your own website here. You design it, everything, and then you hand it off to Claude Code so that it can do the backend work and actually make it live. Cool. Pretty cool. Wow. Pretty amazing. The colors are on point. It also picked up some names from here, which is good. It gave us the maturity index, which is pretty good. The stats and everything section looks good. Even this one looks pretty damn good. I'm assuming you can again tweak this. This is pretty good. Like, I really love this. Obviously, to make this usable and everything, you will have to do a lot more effort, but especially if you are solo, your designers don't have enough bandwidth, this is a very good quick way of putting it. I'm sure that if you'll put the exact PDF, it will be much more better. I didn't do it in this case, but you can do it. It's pretty good. Best way would be to like click on a new tab. This is where you can experience it. Like, this is the actual button. Crazy. Cool. Now we will move on to the deck. Let's see how it creates a deck. So I'll do a new chat, and so I have a document. This is a use case document. Can you create a 4-page deck for my next meeting? Let's see. And what we'll do is, for the same document, we will try to create a one pager. Let's see. So the deck is ready. It's pretty good, I'd say. At least how these icons are, this is very similar to what we also do. Pretty good, pretty good. Again, the best part is that you can download it and put it in Google Slides or any other platform of your choice. You can also like do this, like actually edit things, right? So this is the draw one. Now like go into edit and actually change this. Like you can actually change this background and make it like maybe red. This is good, very good. I feel once you've cracked one design, you can easily scale. I think some changes it has made. Cool. What we'll do is, could you summarize the use case and create me a one pager that I can use as a flyer in a event that showcases this use case. Let us see. So the output is here. This is how it has created. I don't know why these texts are mentioned. This is a book now thingy. It's, I mean, decent enough. I love how it has reformatted everything. Obviously few things needs to be changed, but I love this section. Overall a nice one. Obviously you can tweak the design, you can remove, like make this more shorter, right? So pretty amazing stuff. Let me know if you need some dedicated video around this, where I deep dive into the features and all that. But had real fun doing this. To summarize, I feel there's so much that Claude has to offer. You can see that section is completely removed now. So in total, Claude design is pretty good. You should give it a go and create a system for yourself. So that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.